Hi everybody! Today we'll be working on Joy's hair. Her hair was already washed and we're going to be doing some African threading today. So this is one of the items we're going to be using. Some yarn, a cutter. We're going to be using some curly gel. And we're also going to be using some Main Choice, one of our favorite products, and that's going to be to detangle her hair. A wide tooth comb, a soft bristle brush. Alright, let's get started. So her hair is more like a 3B hair texture, and I usually do the African threading in her hair actually to stretch her hair out because her hair is already washed. So let's get started. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm starting off just by using some of the grease to get her hair moisturizing her scalp. Her scalp is a little bit dry, so now we're just moisturizing her scalp. And we're going to start by parting her hair. Can you say hi, everybody?
Hi, everybody.
She's 2. Just remember, whenever you're doing kids' hair, take off all rings and accessories so it doesn't pull their hair. The thing I like the most about African hair threadings, it doesn't matter the hair length that your child has. Just remember, it's always going to stretch it out and it's going to look so beautiful. Just a little bit goes a long way.
Oh no! It looks like we're all out of water.
On her hair. I'm going to go in with my wide tooth comb. Just to detangle her hair. And I will start from the ends while detangling so that you make sure that their hair don't break off. Today we're going to be using some purple scrunchies, being that she wanted to wear her purple tutu today. And not too tight so that their edges don't fall out. Oh, I almost forgot. Remove all jewelry from your fingers. And then when you're working with the strings, you're going to be using the amount that's based on their hair length. So, for example, I'll show you. Her hair length. This is her actual hair length. Right here, you measure the hair length. And then you're going to split it kind of like in half like this. Not really in half, but about this much. You measure it just like that, just so that you don't have too much yarn. Just like that. And then you're going to hold it with one hand, and then you're going to wrap it around. And then you're going to wrap it. It's going to look like it's twist, but it's not twist. It's yarn.
Now, would anybody like some pie?
Falling down.
And then now when you're going to actually get towards the end, you're going to wrap your finger. You see, then you have that little opening like this. You're going to put it through the loop and then you're going to pull. You're still holding on to the tip of the hair, and then you're going to do it again. Around, pull it through the loop, and then pull. And being that I took off a little too much yarn because I'm demonstrating how we're going to do it, now you're going to remove the end of the hair to the side, and then the string, you're just going to bring it up just like this, and then you are just going to cut the excessive string off. And there you go. A beautiful, pretty twist. See? How pretty is that? Now, we're going to do the rest of her hair. Again, we're going to go over our conditioner. A little bit, not too much. Rub it onto the hair.
What do we fix it with? Anything.
Let's
Let's look around and see what we can find.
Make sure it's detangled thoroughly. Then